So hello and welcome to another XLBI challenge, this time XLBI challenge 578. You could do this challenge with an intelligent way, but you could also do it like I will do it with like the brute force way. So what should we do here? We have numbers in, yes, why isn't this valid? XL is X, should be fine. Okay. 2 kilobyte. Okay, that's also small. Yeah, should be in download error. Let's try again. Yeah, now we're talking. This should be better. So what should we do here? We should find the three maximum kind of things from those combinations of this column, and this column. So what will I do here? I will do multiply this with m or transpose of this here. Then make this a column, make in another column like not the transposition but rather TEXTJOIN and TEXTSPLIT. TEXTJOIN. Delimiter is a comma. We have two texts here. Should be working. Yeah, I need to map this in. Should I? Yeah, sorry. So this here, and I need to do this dynamic. Yes, of course. Sorry. So then I have here. Yeah, transpose or to call nature row is also possible. Also to row will spare a few characters, and then we make this to call, and then we do this same example here again for those kind of stuff here. So to call of this multiply with to row of this numbers here. So we thereby multiplying every number with every other number. Here the maximum is also like in the range there, 52, 8480, yeah, as we're searching for it. And then here another to call, this concatenated with a comma and to row of those numbers here. Close all this stuff, then we bring it here. We put everything in a single let function, so let n for numbers and s for sum or product, p for sum, p for product, and then we can sort by sort by p after n, and then descending no, n after p, sorry, yeah, for sure. And then we have here like those answers, and we now need to text join them with a delimiter to get it in a single string. First we take the first three answers first 3 rows. Yes, I know. Then we do a text join. We can do this with a separate delimiter or another delimiter, and then we do an text split. Text split. Our column delimiter is a comma, and the other delimiter is this line. Minus minus in before to make everything numbers, and then we haystack this with large of p, and then sequence 3 in rows. Sequence large. Oh, here's something missing, and now we have our result. So we could also add here a header, but we will not do this. So what did we do here? We've calculated for every possible combination. So with like building this matrix then and flattening it and then doing this again, we've built like every combination, also for then the corresponding number code, and then we sorted this and splitted it accordingly to get the result. Quite easy, not the most elegant solution you will see here. For example, like Bo did, I think, a reduced solution here, but it's doing its thing. So here also not elegant solution, but here with a little bit of reduced at least. Yeah, this is like cool. Yeah. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next videos, and check out the other Excel BI challenges on my channel. See you. Bye.